Welcome back to Watkins DIY, where the builds are endless. Today on our 1953 GM coach, we're going to be working on these center rails. These rails here connect the upper and the lower roof panels, which Dad is over at the shop painting. And Kate and I are also working on the dash. So this is probably going to be the only part of the dash that's actually not one solid piece, is this door here. And it's only because it has our original nameplate on it. I don't see why we can't modify this thing to come out as one entire upper unit. We weld this, get this guy over where it belongs. See, that's all that needs to do. And then put it all back in as one complete unit. That's what I'm thinking. You dig? So the idea is, this dash was built in multiple sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to weld everything solid and make it one piece. So when this goes back in, it's going to be all molded, so you won't see any lines anywhere.
And sit down.
I forgot to take off my shirt. Whoops. Come on. Be good now. Oh, I broke my screwdriver on that.
Tartar sauce.
Oh, it's a good thing it's guaranteed for life. Holy crap. I might have to belt sand off 2 of these. Did I break my wrench too? Oh, all the screwdriver's junk now. Alright, well, this is a perfect opportunity for me to try my new tool.
I have no idea what tool he's talking about.
Let's do this. Just give it to him.
Waiting to be back. I give a deep sigh. All around.
Peter Whitney's got parts for me for the Corvette.
Oh, cool.
Now, he's got an EHI distributor. EHI distributor and a good carb for the Corvette to get rid of this stupid computer-controlled carburetor crap. These are going to get capped with little, either one more trim piece or it's going to get capped with those acorn nuts.
What do you think? It's like dice and drill little holes. Stick them on, stick dice on there, so it looks kind of whimsical and well, it'd be more of a casino-like. But didn't they have that in the diners? You know, little 50s dice. You know, because you have the dice hang out the rearview mirrors. You could have little dice.
Maybe I'll think about it.
I don't know,
That's too corny for me.
I thought it was pretty cool. All right. First thing that popped in my head.
Okay, so valve stems.
Yeah.
You know how you can get little funny caps?
Oh,
Yeah.
I think you like a
So instead of-
8-ball, a cue ball, a
It's-
dice.
Right, instead of having to drill out a dice, couldn't we just try to see if one of those
That's not
fit
going to be
it?
the same thread.
Oh,
but
you stuff it full of glue and
yeah.
stick it in. You still do that.
we'll see.
But I think
That's really not a concern of mine right this second.
Well, can you imagine when it's painted red, the sparkly red you want, and then all of a sudden you have these little whimsical like cue balls or pool table balls.
So anyway, so
Okay.
this guy
Alright.
here needs
Yeah.
to be, or this is the next panel that's got to be made custom for this.
Okay, I can use that as a pattern almost. Almost.
It's just too
Come
small.
on, come on. I need to. Alright, this is where it's gonna go. I'd like to have the bus at the shop when we do
Yeah,
this.
that's
if
fine.
Okay. And then I'll make this one piece. We're going maybe need to put. Well, I'll just put a hem on all the edges that go around. Trim this nice so it looks good. So it's a nice reveal like this.
Yep.
Nice reveal.
Okay.
All right. Good. All right. And then a trap door. Just stand this nicely so we save it.
Well, we can drill that out.
Why don't you want to throw that out? Well, I guess we could.
Yeah,
Just I hate to hurt it
It's fine. We won't.
anyway because it's all original. It's kind of cool.
I'd like it to clean it and then clear it so it looks nice.
Clean it up a big shine.
Yeah.
You want it shiny? Okay.
Make it stand out.
Okay. All right.
Okay, cool. So I'll bring the bus down and then
What, you gonna do this tonight or we'll do it? Yeah. Okay, I'm trying out this new camera, new microphone thing that Jonathan and Kate got me, because I guess my iPhone is just screwing up and we're losing too much of everything. So we try this. You see I'm back in the spray booth. It's my natural habitat. I'm most comfortable here. I close the doors, turn on the radio, don't hear anybody outside. So I finished these things last night. These are the beams that go down the middle that holds the roof panels. The other three we did, I think last Monday. I'm gonna work on those other panels, the roof panels and the lights. I'm gonna try and paint those up today. So let's see how far I can get. So let's watch. we got these things all sanded up. I have them all placed. I'm gonna try to do all 8 all at once, plus some screws that we can do, some screws, and there's a little bracket that we had to custom make that Jonathan needs to put on some of these things. So now, since Jonathan doesn't like his new camera being oversprayed, I'm just going to shut the camera off, take it out, spread things up, and then I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, so this is how they turned out. They're white, they're shiny, they're beautiful. Next week we'll probably be starting the other half of these and get those up. Unless Jonathan and Kate come up with something else they want me to do, I'll keep going on the roof. So there you go. Until next time.
So this is what we have to do to get all this stuff back. There's 8 panels in her car. So let's go.
So my job right now is to take all of these sink screws, sand down the tops, so that we can paint them white. Fun stuff.